Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix TradingView chart not moving. Alright, so let's begin. We're going to look at how to fix a TradingView chart that appears stuck or not updating. If you've ever experienced this issue, don't worry, it's usually something simple to resolve. Start by checking the time interval at the top of your chart. This is a common reason why charts seem frozen. If your chart is set to a higher time frame like daily or monthly, price movement won't update frequently in real time because each candle represents a longer period. To fix this, click on the interval menu and switch to a lower time frame, such as minutes or even seconds. This will allow the chart to refresh more often and show active price movement. Next, take a look at the price scale on the right side of the chart. If the numbers aren't changing or the chart looks compressed, it could mean the scale is off. Sometimes this happens if you've zoomed in too much or accidentally dragged the chart out of position. To fix this, use the small controls on the price scale. Click the button that fits the data to the screen to automatically adjust the chart and bring everything back into view. This helps reset the layout and ensures all recent price action is visible. You can also try toggling between linear and logarithmic scale by pressing these A or L button at the bottom of the chart if the chart looks distorted, as this can sometimes improve visibility. In most cases, adjusting the time frame and resetting the chart scale will solve the issue. Once you get used to where these settings are, fixing a stuck chart becomes quick and easy, and that's it. This is how you can fix TradingView chart not moving. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.